Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can uninstall an app on our computer. Yes, very important. So I'll be guiding you through this step by step here. So the first thing that you wanted to do is you go right here. At the startup menu, you're going to click on the startup menu. Now when you see the startup menu, then you see this window come up. But you want to look for right here. So this is for the settings. You want to click on the setting. Now when you click on setting now, you will see all of these sections come up. But what you want to look for is apps. So we're going to click on the word apps now. So notice these are all the different apps. So what you want to do is to scroll up, take time and scroll up. You're actually looking for the one that you want to uninstall. You're going to scroll up just the same. You can come over here or along the left side. I can come right down here. And then take a time and get it up like that. But if that is too slow, just press right here along the left side of the mouse and take a time, get it up faster. Just like that. Coming out here, alright. So this is the one that you want to uninstall. So first you want to click on it. You notice this way, some modify right here, so show uninstall. You're going to click on uninstall. You notice that this apps and its related info will be uninstalled. So you're going to come right here again and click on uninstall. Now this is what come up right here. You're going to click on yes. When you click on yes, this is what will come up. And right here, uninstall. So cancel. You're going to click here on uninstall. If you notice right here, sure that it actually installing, right? And notice right here, the uninstall was complete successful. So you're going to click on right close, just the same, right? I hope you have learned something from this particular video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.